Today, we're about to explore an absolute beast on wheels, the rugged, stylish, and adventure-ready Ford camper van. Designed for the modern traveler and packed with smart features, this long-body 4x4 machine is not just a camper, it's a home on wheels. In this video, we'll walk you through every corner of this magnificent van, from the exterior design to the cozy interior. So fasten your seatbelts, because this ride is going to be wild. Let's jump into the adventure life. Exterior, front view. Take a look at the stunning front view of the Ford camper van. Now on display at the official Ford showroom. Its clean, vibrant white color shines with pride, while the rugged bumper and signature Ford logo boldly define its identity. The high-clearance body and custom off-road wheels give it a mean stance that screams strength. The LED headlights, massive windshield, and muscular bonnet complete a powerful yet luxurious look. Perfect for long hauls, off-roading, or camping in style. Top side view. Now, let's glide up to the top side view. This is where tech meets utility. The roof is equipped with high-efficiency solar panels that power your electronics and lights even in the middle of nowhere. You'll also spot a compact satellite antenna for connectivity and a roof-mounted AC unit to keep the interior climate perfect. The aerodynamic roof design ensures minimal wind resistance while adding practical utility for remote adventures. Backside view. Swinging around to the back, this Ford camper's rugged DNA truly shines. An extra tire is mounted securely, always ready for the unknown. Right below, you'll see a cleverly fitted dual-cycle carrier, ideal for mountain bikes or city cruisers. Whether it's hilly terrain or urban exploration, your backup transport is always on board. Taillights are integrated smartly, and there's a steel ladder for easy roof access. Built tough for real adventurers. Side view. Let's take a look at the side view, where outdoor living comes to life. A side-mounted retractable tent offers a shaded lounge space, perfect for campfires, meals, or relaxing with a view. Sliding doors reveal an elegant entry to the interior. The 4x4 wheels beneath give stability on any terrain, while the long body design adds both luxury and practicality. This side profile is all about combining comfort with capability. Driving compartment. Now step into the driving cabin. Your control room on the move. The dashboard is tech-loaded, featuring 2 LED displays. One for infotainment and navigation, and the second giving a rear camera view for full visibility. The leather seats offer ergonomic comfort and heating. The wide windshield and elevated seats ensure excellent road presence, while the steering is buttery smooth. Whether you're cruising highways or maneuvering mountain tracks, this cockpit is designed for total command. Sitting and sleeping area. Just behind the cockpit lies your lounge-turn bedroom. The plush sofa transforms into a full-size bed, perfect for 2 adults. Storage compartments are smartly embedded all around, under the seats and overhead. Soft ambient lighting, USB ports, and cozy upholstery make the space feel like a luxury suite. Whether you're resting, reading, or enjoying a view out the panoramic side window, comfort is guaranteed. Kitchen setup. Next, we step into the compact yet efficient kitchen. Equipped with a 2-burner stove, mini fridge, sink, and microwave, this setup lets you cook wherever you roam. Cabinets store your cutlery and food essentials, while a side table extension gives you extra prep space. The kitchen shares space cleverly with a sitting/sleeping zone, designed for maximum functionality in minimum space. Washroom area. No camper is complete without a washroom, and this one is a marvel of space engineering. A compact wet bath includes a small flush toilet, mirror cabinet, and a foldable shower unit. The water system is pressure regulated with an onboard tank and drainage system, giving you complete hygiene even in the wild. Despite the compact size, it feels surprisingly spacious thanks to clever layout and lighting. And that's a complete tour of the amazing Ford camper van, your luxury cottage on wheels. Packed with smart features, rugged design, and outdoor-ready tech, this van is priced at $140,000. It's more than just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle for explorers and road warriors. Let us know what you think in the comments. Would you take this on your next adventure? Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment.